Hey y'all, it's the Costume Jeweler. We're headed into this Spring Hill Goodwill at Spring Hill, Florida. We're going to go into this Goodwill looking for purses and jewelry to resell on YouTube and eBay. So hit that thumbs up for this video, hit that notification bell, and click all so you don't miss out on a live buy it now and auction of purses and jewelry. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're on that road to 10,000. At 10,000 subscribers, we're going to have a big giveaway and a big sale. So let's go in here and see if we can find anything. So it is September, so we do have some Halloween decorations. Window Cling by Martha Stewart, only $6. Probably cost more than that. That'd look good on a window. They have a few purses in here, not many at all. Let's see what this is. A vintage Buxton. This selection in here is very sparse, no doubt today. So this is a vintage Buxton. Buxton is a good brand, but this does not look like it's been used at all. I don't know if I'll get this one. So all patent leather. Lots of space. And there's your branding. I think we will take a chance on that. I have not had a vintage Buxton before, but I really like the hardware right here. So that we're gonna get that. So it is a crossbody. So if you like vintage patent leather, here you go. Not sure if this store has jewelry or not. Most of the Goodwills anymore do not have jewelry. And this does not have, what is this? This might absolutely be the fastest thrifting trip I've ever done. And a cute leather, might be leather, Vera Bradley wristlet. Look at that. That's a good looking Vera Bradley. Vera, not Vera. And then we have some more right here. But I'll probably have to call somebody over here to see what they are. That red snakeskin is a Michael Kors. Coach. What is this one? Stone Mountain. I think I might be interested in looking at the Michael Kors. See how much it is. And then I'm curious as to what this black bag is right here. So we're going to take a look at those two. So they do have jewelry. It's not thrifted though. So this jewelry is not something that has been like donated by individuals. So I'm going to skip that. Uh-oh, look at this. I see an Anushka. See that Anushka? And then we have this cute Dooney and Bourke right here. And this Coach crossbody right here, look at that. That's beautiful too. Another Coach. I'm gonna have to get somebody over here. Here's a Patricia Nash. This blue one right here is a Patricia Nash. I don't know what the prices are gonna be though. I'm not sure if they'll be where we can resell. We definitely need to take a look at these and see what they've got. So I'm gonna call somebody over here, see if we can take a look at some of these. So look at this old iron clown, $59. So probably not iron, made out of brass. And then you have this lion piggy bank. this crossbody. Patricia Nash. Okay guys, so we looked through the whole store. Well, at Purses, there's no jewelry here, but we found a Juicy Couture that has a $350 new price tag on it, so that has not been used. You will see that in a future sale for sure, probably sooner than later. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, click all. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. If I could just show you a close-up breaking it. I love that. So quite a few great purses at this store, which you saw. And now we are going to close out the video and head on to the next thrift store. So I'm trying to hit several today. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, click all. And we'll see you guys in the next live buy it now of purses and jewelry.